I would say that this award is reassuring. It endorses that what I have been trying to do with my people is right thing and good thing. Actually, generally we work for the passion of work, and we want to create, we want to develop, we want to do something in life, in business. So it feels nice and good when you receive some award, but that's not what you really work for. You work for the passion of work, and it also encourages you to do more. And of course, the award, as I said before, doesn't belong to me personally. There are a lot of people who have been instrumental in recognizing what we have been doing. So it's the team effort. You got your whole employees, your owners, and also family making some sacrifices to achieve something like that, and you just happen to be instrumental in harnessing everything together. And we feel proud, we feel humbled, we feel to do more. So that's what generally I feel. I mean, at the same time, we want to be grounded, we want to be like what we are, and really be the human we are always. This is important, that there's some recognition on this. Okay, it's really put your finger on one particular thing, because that's not how it works. It's like you want to do every day something better, and it's a kind of a continuous process for us, I would say. But still, I can say a few things which I can be really feel proud of. One of that is to change kind of culture and mindset in the company. So as you know, that this was a company which belonged to the government, and the way of doing business was totally different, and we had shortages when it comes to be very competitive in the market, in terms of efficiencies, in terms of the way we think, in terms of the open market dynamics, etc. And it's just not possible for one person to do any changes. So the whole team kind of transformed, and I would say the development of the team, which is good enough and strong enough to drive businesses now, is one of the big achievements which is underlying, which is not so visible, but what we see for the outside world is the sales numbers that we achieved, the profit levels we are achieving, the expansion that we have done. We started our operations in many other countries with our sales managers. We built this new plant. So these are the things which are visible, but I would say these are all the effects of the real thing which is happening in the company. The real thing that is happening in the company is transformation of people thinking entrepreneurial, from old employee kind of a mentality to they feel that this company belongs to them, and they need to do better, and they need to be better than our competitors, and build huge trust with our customers. And we have customers who have been increasing business with us, and we grow with them, and build more trust, more projects we win. So this is really something which I'm really happy with. So I would say, if it is one thing, that's the team which I'm able to transform and build here is a big achievement, and the effects of that are many which you can see, and very easy to identify. But it's the team which is the one thing. Yeah, that's something which is very difficult to predict precisely, but you get a feel of that. What we see currently is some effects of COVID and also some effects of after COVID, which we see. Fortunately for us, we were not so badly affected during this COVID year. We had business drop of about around 17% in our aluminum die casting business and about 7% drop in electronics business. Given the conditions in 2020, I think we did fairly good, much better than the market, and that's a good part of it. But the challenge is we see a lot of disruption after the business is getting back to normal. We see a big disruption in supply chain. Components are not easily available. Aluminum raw material are not very easily available. So metal and commodity availability has become a little bit of an issue. I think it will all hopefully smoothen out in about 3-4 months time. This is what we are hoping for. Automotive industry has bounced back, so this was one of the industry which was totally down and affected us in aluminum die casting business, but now it's supply chain disruption which is having some effects. What we see is we will get back to 2019 levels in 21. This is what we can really look at, and then we keep building again from there for the next whatever years we are running the business. So challenges are there, but it's better. I think it's looking very hopeful.